guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how to create Dhgate account. Dhgate is an online Chinese wholesale marketplace that sells consumer products. So to create an account on Dhgate, go to any web browser on your device, then go to search bar and type in dhgate.com, then press enter and you will be directed to the official website of Dhgate. Now on the right side of this page, you will find join or sign in button. Click on join free option from here and you will be led to this kind of interface. Now make sure that you are on register option on this portal and all you have to do is to put your email address and password in here. You also have an option to sign in with Facebook or Google account. We are going to go with email address here. So I'm typing my email address in this box. Then create a strong password for your Dhgate account. After this, don't forget to click on this option down here to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. Then finally click on register. And there you go, your Dhgate account has been created. Now you can start browsing and the website offers amazing deals and discounts. So this is how you can create your Dhgate account by following these steps. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.